Καλημέρα, είμαι ο Κώστας Ζορμπάς από τη GC Ελλάς. Είμαι προϊόντικός υπεύθυνος για την GCC. Σας καλωσορίζω στο δεύτερο webinar που κάνουμε για την Zyxel με τη βοήθεια και της ίδιας της Zyxel, των παιδιών από τη Zyxel. Θα μας δώσετε 2-3 λεπτάκια και καθώς βλέπω προστίθεται κόσμος στο webinar μας για να ξεκινήσουμε. Καλημέρα ξανά. Σας καλωσορίζω στο δεύτερο webinar της Zyxel. Το προηγούμενο μήνα μας είχε δοθεί ευκαιρία να μιλήσουμε για τα προϊόντα της Zyxel και σε αυτό εδώ το webinar θέλουμε να μιλήσουμε για το συνδετικό κρίκο των προϊόντων που δεν είναι τίποτα άλλο από τη διαχείριση. Η διαχείριση είναι το σημαντικότερο στο σύγχρονο κόσμο, σύγχρονη δικτυακό κόσμο. Είναι ο συνδετικός κρίκος που διευκολύνει και κάνει δυνατή την παρακολούθηση, την παραμετροποίηση και γενικά όλη την διαχείριση, κάνει τη διαχείριση ολοκληρωμένη μέσα από έξυπνα εργαλεία. Η Zyxel έχει ξεκινήσει το Nebula, που είναι η πλατφόρμα διαχείρισης των προϊόντων, από το 2016. Είναι 10 χρόνια σαν πλατφόρμα στην αγορά, έχει εξελιχθεί σε τέτοιο βαθμό που με μεγάλη σιγουριά δηλώνει ότι είναι ένα ολοκληρωμένο εργαλείο για την διαχείριση του δικτυακού εξοπλισμού και του security. Σήμερα έχουμε μαζί μας τον Oleg Morozov, είναι ο Value Added Reseller Manager, δηλαδή είναι ο άνθρωπος του καναλιού που μαζί του απευθυνόμαστε σε όλο το κανάλι για να βρούμε και τις ευκαιρίες και να βοηθήσει από την πλευρά του μαζί με τη τεχνική του ομάδα να βοηθήσει τις λύσεις που μπορούμε να δώσουμε. Oleg, I have introduced you to our participants today, and I give you the floor so you can give us the presentation on the very important tool of Nebula.
So thank you, Kostas, for introducing myself. So thank you for all attenders to coming to our webinar. Today we are speaking about our main solution, main cloud solution of Zyxel, is Zyxel Nebula. And let's jump to it. And the first one, I want to introduce the Zyxel. Zyxel, it is not only on Zyxel network we're working. We're a big group of companies. I am from Zyxel network. You can see my company on the top. We're focusing on cloud security and mobility and all the channel business. We have our colleagues from Zyxel Communications who are focusing on ISPs from service providers business. Our MetroStar company is our manufacturer. Our company of Black Cat, cybersecurity protection, they're working with this, and Andromos. So they're working with yacht IP gateways and solutions. And so what we have? We have 3 big groups of our products. It is our firewalls, our access points, and our switches. And we haven't got any laptops, printers, other things, computers. So no, we are really focusing on only networking, and I think we do it well for previous years and in future. And so let's start. What is Nebula? So this is the first questions what we need to understand. It is our cloud management system. What's helped to management to system from all around the world without any traveling, any road and others. So you can do all the settings what you do usually without any VPN connection and others. You need only the connection for the internet and your laptop or maybe mobile phone, and all the settings you can do. And we are built it with the MSPs, ISPs, and global IT teams, where hear them, where ask them for what the features they need to have a good tool for their tasks. And now we're really trust on it, and we're really focusing on Nebula, and we're think it will be help you in your job. And so it's really simple to use Nebula. It's not very hard to use. It's a simple, very clever system which can help you. And I think more than 140 devices support Nebula. So from LTE solution up to access points, you can use it and you can manage it by Nebula. And so I can speak about Nebula for hours, give you information, say so it's really good solution, so guys use it. But without examples, it's not very informative. And today we are talking about really examples how Nebula helps, not only for partners, but for end customers. We have our good partner, InfoCloud from France, and their client, Prixgo. This is a shop. And today we are talking about how Nebula helps Prixgo and InfoCloud to management their networking. And the first scenario it is when Prixgo is grow up enough, they move from France to Italy and wants to open new shops in Italy, but we they need to do it very fast and for very cheap price. And InfoCloud choose Nebula, they know Nebula, and it help them to save money because they don't need to go to the Italy and do it by only their hands. They find a local contractor and they do only the cable installation, so they don't do any settings about protocols, seamless routing or other things. They only do simple work to installation, only devices and put the cables. And so with Axel Nebula Cloud, it becomes straightforward and secure. Here is why. So the first one, we have five uh, levels of administrators, and you can assign installer privileges for the third company, and they can only register devices on site and nothing do more. And you can do all the settings, and so you can see how many hours it's saved and how many money it's saved for our partner. So it's really simple scenario what is help. So it's only the first one. So when you have an installation in, for example, on another town, you can find the local company who can do it by their hands and do only the simple work. So only put to electric line and put the cables. and all and other settings you can do by your own. And so how it works? You come to the administrators, build new one, named it, put the email to take the notification, take for time, and put the site what we need, site and company, and create. Then you put the save, and Nebula send the innovation for your partner, and after it he will come to this. So you can see we are built new, and after it we can see all the settings and put on the map. So Bricks Go business claims into Italy went really well in Rome, but they soon ran into some management challenge and need to establish a local office quickly because businesses grow up and they open more magazines and they need to coverage it. And on a Bricks Go, the scenario and equipment are the same, so they need for around maybe 25 devices per site, and it's really easy to copy it. So you can copy the config from some site what is working now to the new one, and only what you need is the local installer stuff to again put all devices on and cables, and it's safe 7 hours because you don't need to build new settings. You can copy config, and so it saves a lot of time, and it is reduce engineer time, so engineers can do other work, and it really help, and saves time, money. Every time I will tell you about it saved money, so money is very important, money and time. And so it's how we can do it. Choose a site, build a new one, named it, for example, Italy office, replicate, and we can replicate it from Paris. So device in Italy, create one, and after some times it will work. So really simple, I think. Save energy. Bricks Go starts worrying about rising electricity prices and pressure to meet ESG regulations. And they need a network energy saving plan quickly. They have 50 stores, wireless points account for 1,000 of all devices. And we have InfoCloud take a task. They have 3 days to change powering down of 1,000 access points across 50 locations during non-working hours. So usually it's take about 10 minutes per device, and we can calculate it. So it's 20 full work days, but we have a 3 days window. And how we can fix it? With Excel or with Nebula's Excel Cloud, we can fix it. We we can create a per year schedule and apply it to all the ports. Assign the profile to hundreds of thousands of ports at once, and we don't need to do it 1,000 times. With 10 or 15 minutes, we can do all work what we will do if we don't use Excel Nebula. for 20 days. And so it helps us to save 60% of energy. And this is saves for customer around 17,000 per year, and save all time of engineers in info cloud and cost. And so how we can do it? We can put a configure that's per energy, per schedule, and name it, working time, use it, and choose what we can do from 9 to 6 saved. Then we move to the POE ports, add ports, POE settings, and choose our settings for working times, and it will be used on all the ports. So 5 simple stages to do it. So you can see it's not take a lot of time. So at one time, Go suspected a cyber attack on their one of their stores, and they need to fix it because they don't have a VPN connection, and InfoCloud choose to fix it because they're managed service provider. And when you use Nebula VPN orchestrator, you not need to create each VPN manually, not need to set up routing rules, not manual phase 1 and 2 VPN configuration. You only need to do 3 clicks, and it's reduced time, saved 15 hours, and save 700 euros. And so let's see how it's to do. So we're coming to configuration, VPN orchestrator, and you can see all what is working. Choose topology side to side or others. Choose the main what we have, what we want, and after it, all is start working. So really, really simple to build VPN, I think. And so, when you use a Nebula, you have a notification when is something go wrong. You, like a partner, take a notification before your end customer is looking for it. And InfoCloud received alerts from Nebula Cloud, alerting them the potential Wi-Fi issues is one of the pricks go sites. For in this situation, it is be stored in Lyon in France. Understanding that PrixGo cannot operate without Wi-Fi, so they are proceeding for PrixGo that they are investing in issue is one of their stores, and how we can take it. So with Nebula, Wi-Fi 8 and wireless health features, InfoCloud are able to quickly look on the issue remotely. So Wi-Fi 8 allows InfoCloud to quickly pinpoint two possible cases, DHCP and wireless connection issue, with the gateway settings, and found the GCP pool was too small, so they increased it. and they're using wireless health. They found a performance drop onto 2.5 gigahertz band, likely from channel interference. So they enable automatic optimization to improve Wi-Fi performance, and so it's working, and this is problem fixed. And so it's really a reduced time again, and saves 2 or 3 hours. Let's see how they do it. They move to the side, see Wi-Fi alert, go deeper for the information, see logs for last 24 hours, and see where is the problem. And then they go deeper, see what is going on, and see that the DCP is very small. You see a lot of alerts of DCP client. So they go to the wireless health, see that have a problems on it, and move to auto optimization. And then Nebula is optimized by themselves, and it's fixed. So really simple to do it. And so cyber defense is very important, and we position our cloud like cyber cloud working. And InfoCloud received several cybersecurity alerts in a short period through the Excel Nebula. The alerts indicate that some devices at the Prix Go line store was attempting to connect to no malicious websites, and we need to fix it. And how it's fixed by the Excel Nebula. At start, we're using Secure Reporter. They quickly identified 2 laptops that had been infected through spam URLs and phishing attempts. While the traffic has been blocked by the cybersecurity appliance, and as an extra pressure, they notified PrixGo and advises them to disconnect the affected laptops immediately to prevent further spread of damage. After it, and a 1 week security report was then generated through Secure Reporter to confirm that the issue had been resolved and that the network was secure. So, it again, it saved 3 hours, 92% faster response and fix, and saves money. So, save money because less hours to work, less money to pay. And so, we move to security alerts. After addicted to Secure Reporter, scroll down to severity alerts. Then you can go to the reports, to weekly reports, and see all reports what you have about threats, about all firewall statistics. So firmware management, it's very important because it's take a lot of time to update all firmwares for all devices. And when you have a lot of shops, a lot of offices, sites, you need to spend a lot of time to do it. And the Excel help you. For first one, you can scheduling firmware updates to advance so they won't destroy customers' business. And so includes intelligence about the devices can be upgraded in sequence, including automatically fallback of if something does go wrong. So really good feature. And so how we can do it? So you move to NC dashboard, MSP cross or organization manage, firmware upgrades, schedule upgrades, select availability, upgrade availability search. So, and you can choose in what site you want to schedule firmware upgrades. Is this one we choose all, and after it we can upgrade it. So 4 clicks. And so this is a simple 7 scenarios how Nebula can help you. And after it, what's all attenders in our webinar have a discount for Nebula kits for 40% discounts. You can choose 1 or 3 Nebula kits. The first one is Nebula kit free. It includes USG Lite 60iX with 1 year light pack, 1 switch, and 2 access points, and licensing for Nebula Pro Pack. You can try to take it by your hands, play with it, or give you to your end customers to introduce them Nebula, or you can choose more powerful kits. And so if you want it, enjoy, please, for all attenders what we have on our webinar. Now it's for you. And so I stop my share screen for 1 minute because we have a special new one feature. Let me show you my screen now. I think it will help us. Give me 1 minute, please. So I think now you can see my screen. And so we have a special app for more simply work with Zyxel, because we understand that the Zyxel is a new brand for most of our new partners, and we want to help you to learn about Zyxel, to help you to work with Zyxel, and we have a SMB product compression tool. So what is it? The first one, it is SMB compression. You can choose, for example, device type, for example, access point. Choose a vendor, for example, Tap-a-Link for access point, and choose a model, for example, YAP 783, and find this Zyxel match. For example, it is VBE 660S. And if you need more information, you can put the compression matrix and see what we have, where maybe we're good, and other things. For example, we can move for ubiquity. For example, let's use U7 Pro, and you could see Zyxel model is NVA 130BE, and you can see the compression matrix, so you can see all the metrics. And it's not only one. You can move to device selector, and you can put, for example, you need something switch. We take switch. We need, for example, Smart L2. Choose the ports. For example, let's move to the big one, and you can see the ports. If we need more good ports, for example, let's move to this and choose 10 gigabits port. So you can see all of this for access points, for firewalls, for 5G routers if you need it. So we have on a beta testing project builder. So for example, we have a project and we need for 40 indoor access points, 5 outdoor access points. What we need. So let's prefer Wi-Fi 7, VPA Enterprise, a captive portal, and so we need to cloud. Then we need 10 gigabits uplinks, for example, for your ports. So we have 40 plus 5, 45 ports, and we have, for example, 15 cameras. And we need core. We can choose for staking, for example. And choose speed gigabits here we need for one. And after it, build BOM. And we have a free class of specification. In the first one, we see the very simple and very low cost. You can see all of this. Let's move to the optimum. So it's middle of the price. You can see all of biome of what you see. So all specification. And if we have a ultimate, we move to this and have a more hard products. And so, and you can see the topology, how it works. You can export it all of this, so no problem. Then licensing selector. So let's check it. For example, we need to license for USG Flash H series. Let's choose USG Flex 200H, and you can see what licensing we have and for what it. And the most, I think, important, it is Zyxel Wi-Fi planner. You can choose it. For example, you can build by yourself all the heat map and do it really fast. And you can do it by yourself and send to us, and we can check. So you can put it to send to Zyxel with signal, without signal, with one of the signal, and then choose Europe, fill the country, your name, company name, your email, please, and you can fill the description. And after it, you can sell it, send it to us, and we will contact with you and discuss all the features and all the points of your project. And so, let's move to the Nebula, because you can play with Nebula every time. It's very oh sorry, it's on Russian. Let's I do like this. Oh, .com. Yeah. So if you don't work with Nebula before, you can try demo. This is a Prix Go, what we are talking about previously. You can choose InfoCloud, our partner. Let's move for InfoCloud workspace. You can see the parish site, so and see all the settings. You can come to the devices, looking for them. If we need more, we can move to the Prisgo organization and choose all the sites, for example, Rome. And see all what I'm talking about. For example, we can see the YouTube for watching and watch time. So what is usage, what is percent, block, you can see the block, can block, so see the topology. If you need more information, you can see online clients, see the MAC address and other things, where the connection. So all information what you need, you can come and can do quickly by ports, all information. So this is all from my side. Thank you a lot for you attend our webinar. If you have some questions, please move to chat and we will answer to you for all your questions.
Thank you, Oleg. First of all, I would like to say that I have shared the link in the chat box for the all the cool stuff that Oleg has shown us, like the selector, the planner, and everything, so you can start using it. It's really cool that has all those options, even comparison for the products and everything. I would like to remind that we're still running an offer for whoever of you is not registered in the partner program of Zyxel. Please do, because we're running an offer for our partners that would become to the ally level immediately. So it's a big advantage for 2026. And also, as you've seen, you have all the option to try it out Nebula for yourself without even having any machine ready at your hands. So it's really helpful. Also, we're gonna see in the days the offer for the kids that Zyxel is running right now for the webinar registered people, the participants, which is a firewall, a switch, and 1 or 2 access points with the Nebula licenses in a total of 40%. It's a huge advantage for your kids that would like to have available and work on yourself. This time you were quite quiet. We haven't had so many questions that we had in the previous one. And we had with us an engineer, Alexander Kostin, ready to answer any of your questions relating to Zyxel, especially the technical part of it. Please use it in order to get an answer either right now or afterwards you send them to me and I will get those answers back. You've seen Zyxel having a complete set of products. You've seen it have a complete control center, which is called Nebula, to in one screen control all devices, make all the configurations needed through a cloud management platform. It's a very helpful tool. It's essential in our times to save money, to save time, to have control of everything that is needed for us to administer. Oleg, you have anything else to add?
So you do all from you do all my job now. So
That's our part of the job.
for me,
That's
I
what we're
think
here for.
Zyxel can help for all partners what have projects. We have an answer for all tasks. What's will be in a networking issue. So we can do anything, and we have a lifetime warranty for most of our products, and we have a good margin for our partners and good solution to help them and save their time and save their money. So some partners are using Nebula every time when they're coming to us, and they're really happy with it. So I think, Kostas, you know about it, and so every demand what we have a licensing with Nebula, we have Nebula devices. So I think Nebula will help all the partners to save their money, to save their time, and it will be increase their business to the next level.
One more thing I have to add, apart from the products and the all those good things in the channel business, protecting the deal, protecting the margin, all things like that. You're also fast. You're fast in the response, and that's something that's appreciated in an SMB market.
Yes. So yeah, we answer maybe for 1 day, and
Bit
well,
more fast with
also yeah, more for all
responses
1 day it is
to the
the
channel.
max. I think sometimes it's 2-3 hours, maybe 4. And so we understand that the for SMB market is time is very important because the big projects can wait, but for SMB it is not a big projects, and you need the answer for very fast. And this is our collaboration with GCC can help you because they answer fast, we answer fast, so you have your price, and we can help you very fast for every questions what you have.
Okay, thank you, Oleg. Thank you, Alexander, for being in standby. Σας ευχαριστούμε που ήσασταν μαζί μας για άλλη μια φορά. Έχουμε έναν κατασκευαστή καλό, δραστήριο, που ενδιαφέρεται για το κανάλι. Εδώ είμαστε για να το εκμεταλλευτούμε. Είμαστε στη διάθεσή σας για ό,τι χρειάζεστε, είτε απευθείας με τη Zyxel είτε μέσω ημών. Η αλυσίδα είναι πολύ στεναδεμένη για να μπορέσουμε να σας βοηθήσουμε στις ευκαιρίες που παρουσιάζονται. Σας ευχαριστώ πάρα πολύ. Thank you, Oleg. Thank you, Alexander.
So, thank
Καλή
you.
σας ημέρα.
Have a good day.
Θα ακολουθεί.
Bye.
Καλημέρα.